In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can fund your virtual dollar account using Geegpay. As we all know, Geegpay is a financial app that helps you to do your online transactions and all of that. So like this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss whenever I share content like this. So let's get straight to it. Already, before you can fund your virtual dollar account, you need to have a virtual dollar account. You need to have a virtual dollar card. Are you getting now? You need to have a virtual dollar account, and then you need to have a virtual card, and of course you should have a Geegpay account. Very important. So let's assume that you've gotten your card. If you don't know how to get your card, just go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link to that video. Then I'll also drop a link to how you can sign up here. So what you do is to come to this place that says card. All right, you come to card here. As you can see, I already have my card. So what you're going to do is to click on add funds. Okay, you click on add funds, and then the minimum you can add here is $5. As you can see, the money that I have in this account is not up to $5. That's why it's showing me insufficient balance. Are you getting now? So how do you now add funds so that you can add it to your virtual dollar account? Follow me now, your virtual dollar card. Follow me. Let me show you how you can add funds, because you need to add the funds to your Naira account before you now take it and convert it to your dollar to be able to fund your account here. Are you getting it? To fund your card. Are you getting it now? So what you're going to do to fund your Naira account, what you're going to do, let's go back. We're going to go back now. Okay, follow me. Let me just go back. All right, we go back, then we come here. So this is where you're going to fund your Naira account. You can come here and click on add funds, or you come to this account here. Come to this account here. Just follow me. All right, you come here and you copy your detail here, your account detail here. You copy it, and then you go and use your local bank account and send money to this account. Most times we use OPay. OPay works very well for this. All right, so you can just make the transfer to this account, and once you make the transfer to this account, it will be reflected here. Are you seeing it? It will be reflected here, and then you can now click on convert to convert it to US money, to dollar account. Are you getting it? So once you can convert it, it will now be showing as something like this. Let me show you this. It will now be showing as this. Let me change it again. It will now be showing as this. All right, at least you should have at least $5 in your account before you now come to this place, to these cards, and then add the $5, add it as a fund to your card. Are you getting it now? So you can watch this video over and over so you can understand what I'm talking about. So this is how you can add funds to your virtual dollar card. It's very easy. If you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section, and make sure to check the link in the description for more resources. I'll see you in my next video. If you want to join my updates group where I talk about how to make money online and other money making updates, just go to the link in the description or check the pinned post in the comment section. I will drop all of those details. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.